Cryptocurrencies used to toil in the financial underbelly of the world, but now they've grown to become part of the mainstream debate. Over the past decade, the price and value of these assets have skyrocketed as investors seeking to grow their money in a low interest rate environment have poured money into the asset class in record numbers. For instance, since its debut in 2009, Bitcoin has earned significant returns for those who invested their money at the beginning. So the flood of funds have both broadened the breadth of the cryptocurrency investing environment, but have also made it more complicated to navigate. Currently, there are approximately upwards of 18,000 currencies to select from in the cryptocurrency markets, and each coin employs a deluge of technical terms to sell its value proposition, many of which are difficult to understand and appreciate fully. So what is the best way to go about discovering a new cryptocurrency coin? Hello and welcome back to our channel. Have you invested in crypto? How hard is it to find new crypto coins? Well, in today's video, we're going to be looking at how to find pre-sale crypto tokens. So subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell if you haven't done so already. And without further ado, let's get this party started. Is it a good idea to put money into an initial coin offering? NFTs may be a nice concept, but are they a good idea overall? What precisely is DeFi and how does it work? Well, if you become lost in the sea of cryptocurrencies, you're not alone. Prospective investors have become wary of the market as a result of a lack of quantitative criteria for evaluating investments and the frequency of investment fraud. But cryptos, despite this, continue to be a viable investment choice. Investing in them is a smart strategy to diversify your portfolio, and thanks to the high degree of price volatility, you may be able to profit from your investment. So if you want to be the first to know when a new cryptocurrency is coming online, you can keep a watch on a number of different places. We start with exchanges. Cryptocurrency exchanges are one of the most reliable sources for learning about new cryptocurrencies. Coinbase, for instance, often updates its website with new currencies, but in order to have full access, you'll need to create an account. In addition, Binance provides a list of new currencies that you may research so as to determine if any are worth investing in. Secondly, there are data aggregators. A data aggregator is a company that collects information on certain issues in order to identify new digital currencies. Cryptocurrency data aggregators are quite beneficial. They will provide you with a list of new currencies as well as information on their prices, market capitalization, and volume of trades. And an example is like CoinMarketCap. You may use this tool to get a feel of what other investors are saying about a currency and whether or not it has the potential to be successful in the future. CoinGecko is also an information aggregator that identifies new currencies and gives information comparable to that provided by CoinMarketCap. Then, of course, there are social media platforms to consider. The rapidity with which information may be communicated on social media is well known in this industry. The social media network Twitter, for example, is one of the most rapidly evolving and responsive platforms in the United States of America. So whenever new coins or upgrades to existing coins are made accessible, developers and producers of cryptocurrencies may be found on Twitter tweeting about their coins. Hence, getting notifications for certain phrases on Twitter may be pretty handy for individuals who use the social media platform. For instance, if you search for new crypto or crypto release, Twitter will display any cryptocurrency-related tweet. Telegram is another instant messaging service that can keep you up to speed on the latest cryptocurrency news and developments. Then there are the websites and tools that are available. There are a number of places where you may look for new currencies to trade. Top ICOs, Smith & Crown, and ICO Bench are just a few of the well-known names in the industry. Also, depending on the new cryptocurrency you're interested in, it may be possible to validate it using a variety of different methods. For instance, by using PooCoin charts, you can check to see whether anybody else is using the token by entering its name or address and viewing statistics or transactions, contracts, holdings, price, and other metrics. And to observe a cryptocurrency audit, input the coin's name or address into Token Sniffer and click on the audit button. The Token Sniffer allows you to examine the code of a contract and create a bubble map that displays the address of the contract's originator, the addresses of the top 100 holders, and the percentages held by each of them. Next, there are DeFi platforms. Investing in cryptocurrencies using DeFi platforms is still a relatively new phenomenon in the cryptocurrency world, and this is because they operate in a similar manner to traditional financial markets, with the exception that they use smart contracts to close transactions. But still, Native tokens are frequently used in the DeFi ecosystem to expedite transactions, which is why they are so popular. MakerDAO, PancakeSwap, and Aave are just a few of the DeFi platforms that are now in use. And then there are non-fungible tokens or NFT marketplaces. NFTs are one-of-a-kind digital assets that have been tokenized or tied to an encoded alphanumeric sequence and are maintained on a blockchain as a kind of digital asset ownership record. And due to the fact that the token's network validators must validate ownership through consensus, this ensures that ownership is never in doubt. NFTs are also significant components of the metaverse, a new technological paradigm championed by corporations in the digital world that is based on quantum computing. Both OpenSea and Rarible, two of the most renowned NFT markets, provide things ranging in price from a few $100s to tens of thousands of dollars depending on the item's rarity and condition. Aside from that, there are specialty marketplaces that cater to a single industry or sport. While the National Football League or NFL has partnered with Dapper Labs to create one-of-a-kind digital video clips of significant events in the league's history, the NBA's Top Shot NFT marketplace is an example of how other sport leagues are leveraging technology. Initial coin offerings is an additional alternative. Since the year 2018, initial coin offerings or ICOs did surpass venture capital investment as the primary method of raising funds for new enterprises. Startups and well-known corporations alike jumped on board the initial coin offering bandwagon. Since then, the Securities and Exchange Commission or SEC has been investigating and cracking down on initial coin offerings as scams proliferated throughout the sector. Exchange-traded funds are another option. Another approach to indirectly investing in cryptocurrencies is through the use of derivatives sold on traditional markets. The Chicago Mercantile Exchange, CME, which provides Bitcoin and Ether future contracts, is frequently used by investors looking to get exposure to cryptocurrencies without actually owning any of the underlying assets. In 2021, CME Bitcoin futures linked exchange-traded funds or ETFs began trading. More are likely to follow as brokerages surge the Securities and Exchange Commission to get crypto-linked ETF clearance. However, new crypto token endeavors, on the other hand, should always be addressed with caution. In recent years, cryptocurrency has evolved as a viable financial instrument on the periphery of the conventional financial system. The universe of investable cryptocurrencies as well as crypto-related products and services, on the other hand, is still relatively small and requires careful thought before entering. Financial specialists may assist you in determining whether or not investing in digital assets and new cryptocurrencies make financial sense for your long-term financial objectives as well as for your short-term financial requirements. Furthermore, how can you get new cryptocurrencies prior to listing? Well, for starters, you can go to CoinMarketCap and put in the search term regular presale, and it will provide you with a list of new cryptocurrencies that have not yet been published on the exchange. So, are there any new cryptocurrencies on the horizon? Well, new cryptocurrencies and tokens are introduced on a daily basis. On a daily basis, CoinMarketCap refreshes its list of new currencies and tokens, while Top ICO maintains track of the latest initial coin offerings. So you should follow currency announcements on Twitter and Telegram, which are other fantastic locations to keep a watch out for future currency announcements. Well, there you have it, the place in which you can find pre-sale crypto tokens, and by reaching this point, we mark the end of this video. Which is your most preferred method of getting new crypto tokens? And which method do you recommend to others? Comment below, let's engage! Also, please leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.